How to create magic of cinematic particles. Let's get started. Create a new composition. Then create a new solid. Name it particle. Go to Effect, Trap Code Particular. Open emitter, set point to box. Choose X, Y, Z individual. Change emitter size X and Z to 2000 and Y emitter size to 0. Set velocity to 0. Change particles to 2000. Create a new camera. Open particle, set life seconds to 4. Sphere feather to 100. Size to 2. Opacity to 80. Opacity random to 50. Go to opacity over life and change presets. Choose your color. Open displace, drift, decrease drift Z to -150. Open turbulence field. Increase TF displace XYZ to 200. Set fade in time to 0. Open turbulence field controls and set TF scale to 4. Also TF evolution to 20. Go to Camera Tools and handle your particles. Press C on your keyboard to change camera track. Go to emitter and change particle per second to 20,000. Also change size to 1. Create a new solid as a background. Go to Effect, Generate Gradient Ramp. Choose your color. Go to Particle Solid and go to Stylize and choose Glow. Increase glow threshold to 50. Go to Effects and Presets and choose Deep Glow. Drag and drop on Particle Solid. Change radius to 200 and decrease exposure. Create a new solid and name it Optical Flares. Go to Video Copilot and choose Optical Flares. Set on black to transparent. Go to Options and choose your light. Increase brightness. Add a new adjustment layer. Go to Color Correction and choose Curves. Add curves. Okay, this is our tutorial today. If you like it, don't forget, like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.